Welcome to my channel World of Art. Today we are going to discuss another type of printing process, that is intaglio printing. So what is this intaglio? It is a type of printing process in which the image or the writing is cut or incised on a metal plate and then ink is applied on the area and um, wiped away the excess ink so that the recessed area gets the ink uh, rather than the other surface. And this type of printing results in a print of tactile quality and due to the thick layer and deformation of the paper. These plates are reverse image on the paper with, with the paper indented on the incised lines. Now the principle of indirect printing. It is done from ink that is below the surface of the plate, done by embossing the paper onto the incised lines under considerable amount of pressure. Now, the process of intaglio printing mainly consists of four steps. First is the etching, then comes engraving, then the dry point, and the mesotinting. Now, etching is the process by which we use acid to write the image onto the metal plate coated with acid-resistant ground. This ground is a coating which protects the plate from the action of the acid. The hard ground is chalked through needle, exposing the metal plate. Now the engraving. It is engraving the image uh, by the viewing app, which offer launch seat 2 directly on the plate. Engraving means cutting out on a piece of something to create or engrave the image or writing that is needed to be printed. Now the dry point. In this step, marks were made of the plate using sharp-pointed instruments, which are inked and we get a velvety appearance. Soft copper plates are used for die-cut printing. Then the mesotinct. This process involves indenting the printing plate by rocking a toothed metal tool across the surface. The feeds, the engraved part that feeds holds the ink. Uh, if the image at this stage, the image would be printed solid black. The print marker maker creates tones by rubbing down or brushing the raw surface to varying degrees of smoothness, which changes the color holding capacity of a chosen area of the plate. Now, in this slide, we see there are five pictures. The first picture is the engraved plate, and proofs are present in the plate. In the second picture, we see the full plate is covered by a black line, and this black line denotes the ink. But in the third picture, we see that black lines are present, but in between them spaces are left, and these black lines denotes the inked part. After the ink is wiped away from the plate surface, only the grooved part contains the ink. And the fourth uh, image, we see paper is placed on the plate and compressed, such as by a black ball type semicircle structure by it. The inks are pressed. In the fifth image, we see the paper is removed and the ink has been transferred from the plate to the paper. Uh, in the third picture, there is a line present which is very light to observe, but in the fifth picture we can see it that a yellow line is present, and in some places of the yellow line there are gaps, but the remaining part contains blacks, and these black part are the printed part of that paper. Now, the advantages of Intaglio Printing, the ink performance is about 90% rich color, strong layout tolerance, and this Intaglio Printing forms fine lines on the printings, which are not easy to fake. And with these advantages, also we have some disadvantages, which includes the plate making cost is expensive as then we have to engrave on the plate, and all these are also time taking. Printing cost is also expensive. Plate making work is more complex. That is comes the engraving part on the plate. Now comes the application of intaglio printing, where we see the it is used in printing securities like banknotes, stocks, gifts, commercial credit certificates, passports, postage stamps, etc. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notifications. If you like the video, please press the like button and leave a comment for me so that I can improve the making of my videos and know if you like it.